In this video I share my ICP price prediction for 2024 with long and short-term analysis. And we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for ICP to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. ICP is on place 16 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $5.8 billion. The coin is existent since 2021 and since last October we started this massive bullish rally to the upside. As ICP got released we saw this massive scam rig right here. And after we saw the release of ICP we saw this massive bearish crash to the downside. And after this longer bearish crash to the downside we saw the first bullish move right here. So technically this is not the all-time high, but for me I take this level at the all-time high because we got the first bullish reaction from here. And this is the highest important high from ICP after the launch. But also after this high we continued this bearish trend to the downside. And then we built this larger consolidation right here. And then in December we finally saw this bullish explosion for ICP. We broke this last highs to the upside and we moved into the supply zone. So after this longer bearish crash to the downside, it was now very important that we saw this bullish momentum. And now the chance is there that we can continue this bullish trend to the upside and see even higher prices. Because I think that ICP is a great project with very nice fundamentals. And from the price right now to this last high we have a potential of 580%. So this would be a very great deal for a top 20 coin like ICP. And if we now can continue the bullish momentum to the upside, then the next very important level is this high right here. Because this high was the last very important high that led to a break of structure to the downside that we see here lower levels. So this was the beginning of this massive downtrend on the weekly time frame. And over this important highs there's also much liquidity. So the chance that we are reaching this goal is very high. And if we're reaching this high, the chance that we see a larger retracement is there. And if we find then acceptance over this last high, then the chance is high that we can continue this bullish move. And then the next very interesting area is this high right here. Because also from this high we saw this move to lower levels, we saw this break of structure to the downside. So if we could continue the bullish move to the upside, then this is the next very interesting area where we also could see a larger retracement. And then of course the last very interesting area is this high at around $86.7. So I could imagine that we see a move like this for the bull run. And of course this is just the orientation, but often after this massive highs, the chance that we see a retracement is there. But after this retracement there's also much potential to buy in a higher low to go to the upside again. But I think that the last all-time high is a realistic target for ICP. And as I said, 585% is a very great deal, but the best coins in the crypto space are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think that ICP has the potential to break its last all-time high. And to calculate a potential target for the bull run, we use the Fibonacci tool. From the swing high to the swing low, we use this tool. And then we are seeing this potential price targets for the bull run. The 3.618 Fibonacci shows a target of $300. And I think this could be a potential target, but I don't know if we would reach this target in the next bull run or at the bull run after that. So if we take the more conservative level at 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a target of $140. And I think this is a really realistic target for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this high, we would have a potential of nearly 1000%. And I think this would be a very nice deal on ICP. But if you want to reach this kind of price targets, we have to look at the total crypto market cap. This is the chart of the total crypto market cap, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all altcoins. And if we want to see higher prices for the cryptocurrencies, much money has to go into the market cap. And as you can see, after we got this longer bearish trend, we then built this consolidation right here. And now we are seeing this bullish move to the upside, which is a very nice sign. Because if we continue the bullish move to the upside at the market cap, the chance that we are reaching the last all-time high is there. And if enough money flows into the market from retailers and institutions, the chance that we are reaching the all-time high and exploding to the upside is very high. And as I said, this bullish trend is very nice. And I think the chance is high that we can continue this bullish move right now. So we looked for potential price targets for the bull run, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for ICP. And as you can see, we are now rejecting in this supply zone, and the chance that we see even lower prices is there. But right now we are still in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. So I think right now is a chance to buy some coins right here, because as I said, we are in a bullish trend and we build a potential higher low right here. And again, from the price right now to the all-time high, we have a potential of 590%. And I think this is already a great deal on ICP. But if we would now see even lower prices, then I think this demand zone area is a great potential buy zone, because this demand zone was the beginning of this massive push to the upside into the supply zone. So if we come again into this this demand zone right here, and if we are not breaking it to the downside and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries right here and hodl it into the next highs. So this potential buy zone is from $9.8 to $8.5. And of course the potential from this zone right here is even a bigger deal than the prices right now. And if we would reach even lower prices, then I would look for this demand zone right here, because also this demand zone was the start of this bullish push. And if we see the move to this prices right here, this would be an amazing buy zone. I personally don't think that we come again to this prices right here. But if we see prices from $6 to $4.8, I would definitely buy some coins for ICP right here. Because from this prices to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 1,600%. So if we would reach prices around $5 on ICP, I would definitely buy some coins for my long-term hodl portfolio. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ICP, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for ICP. If you want to see my Solana price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.